Namo Namaha. We are learning Looking Around of Class 5 and we are talking about chapter number 1, Super Senses. We have 5 senses: smell, sight, hearing, taste and touch. Animals also have these senses. Now in the previous video we have seen that owl has eyes in front of its head, while pigeons, crows, eagles, sparrows have eyes on either side of the head. So in most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their heads to see around. Now in this video we will do one activity. For that, close your right eye or cover it with your hand as you can see in this picture. Tell your friend to stand to your right at some distance and ask him to do some action. For example, wave hand or shake hand, etc. Okay, so you have to close your right eye and tell your friend to stand to your right at some distance and ask him to do something. Could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? Try to do this. Could you see your friend? The answer will be no. Without moving your neck, you could not see your friend's action. Then what will you do? Now try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open but without moving your neck. Is it possible to see that? Of course it is possible because your friend is standing at your right. So you can see your friend's action with both your eyes open without moving your neck. So what was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? Can you tell me the difference? Can you pause the video and can you tell me the difference? What you have done? First you covered your eye, your right eye with your hand, and then you tried to see your friend's action. Then you opened your both eyes and then again you tried to see your friend's action. So what was the difference? Is it better with 2 eyes or is it okay with 1 eye? Right. So you can see a wider area with both eyes as compared to 1 eye. Right. So when a bird focuses both eyes on an object, it can estimate the distance. When its eyes focus on 2 different things, it increases its range of vision. You can understand this better with this activity. Okay, so when you open your both eyes, your range of vision will be increased. Right, you will get wider area to see. So that was the difference. Now we will do one more activity. Now toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open. Then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? Okay, so here you are tossing a coin and you are trying to catch that coin. First try to catch with both your eyes open, then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? Can you tell me? Yes, it was easy to catch the ball or a coin with both eyes open. Now imagine how it would be to have your eyes in place of your ears. So you have to imagine yourself then suppose you have your eyes in place of your ears, then you will be look like this, right? So what would you be able to do then which you cannot do now? Suppose if your eyes are in place of your ears, then what would you be able to do? Think about that. So if your eyes were on the sides of your head like this, you could see on left and right without moving your neck, right? Is it so? So we talked about two interesting activities in this video, and from that we understood that with the help of two eyes we can see a wider area. Range of our vision increases, right? So now in the next video we will talk about some animals.